After leading India to a 3-1 series win against England, wicketkeeper batsman Rishabh Pant and veteran off-spinner Ravichandran Ashwin moved up on the ICC Test player rankings. Pant moved up to the 7th spot in the ICC Test batting ranking, while Ashwin now sits at the 2nd spot in bowlers ranking. Virat Kohli is at 5th, Rohit Sharma placed at 7th, and Jasprit Bumrah is at 10th position, which are the other Indians in the top 10 rankings in their respective fields. In his latest dig at England's rotation policy, former England captain Michael Vaughan said that if the Three Lions continue to rotate players, even during the high-octane Ashes series against Australia, then Test cricket will become a joke. Vaughan said if players need rest, then they should do so before the Ashes. Team India opener Rohit Sharma said that he doesn't see why umpires cannot travel with teams in order to officiate for matches. Hitman added that neutral umpires can be asked to undergo quarantine just like players. On the back of Shai Hope's brilliant innings of 110, West Indies defeated Sri Lanka by 8 wickets in the first ODI in Antigua. Bowling first, Windies bowled out Sri Lanka for 232 runs, and in reply, Windies' opening duo of Shai Hope and Evin Lewis staged 143 run stand, with the latter scoring 90 balls 65. In the absence of injured Kane Williamson, Tom Latham will lead New Zealand in a 3-match ODI series against Bangladesh starting from March 20th. Latham has led New Zealand in 10 ODIs before, winning 8 of them as the skipper. The Royal Challengers Bangalore have signed hard-hitting Kiwi opener Finn Allen as replacement for Joshua Philippe for the upcoming edition of the IPL. Philippe will be unavailable for the entirety of IPL 2021. Meanwhile, Allen, who is also a wicketkeeper, has a strike rate of over 180 in T20 cricket. Another year, another heartbreak for Lionel Messi's Barcelona as the Catalan side were knocked out of Champions League by Paris Saint-Germain on Wednesday. Barcelona and PSG played out a 1-1 draw in the second leg as Kylian Mbappe and Messi were on target. Having won the first leg 4-1, PSG advanced to the next stage on 5-2 aggregate. Making his return after 13 months, 405 days to be precise, Switzerland's Roger Federer registered a victory against Daniel Evans in the Qatar ExxonMobil Open. The game, which went to the wire, saw the Swiss maestro win the first set 7-6 while going down in the second set 3-6. The 20-time Grand Slam champion, after losing the second set, came back strong to take the final set 7-5. Two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar has been re-elected as the President of School Games Federation of India. The new set of office bearers include 8 vice presidents and joint secretaries and 6 executive members.